Anything related to data when it comes to Adalo will take place in your database panel. So already out of the box, Adalo gives you a user collection. So if you have a two-sided app, you are still most likely going to have both types of users within the users collection because you only have one collection that has a password property type. The best way to think about collections is to think about the different types of data you're going to be collecting. And you want to think about these items as nouns. So if you are creating an app around restaurants, then maybe you have a restaurant collection, and then you'll have your users collections, and then you'll have an orders collection and a menus collection, and so on. It can be difficult to know every collection you're going to need and how to structure it from the beginning, and it's most likely that you'll figure it out as you start to build out your app and see what data is available to you as you create different components and link data to those components. So that is completely normal. One way to think about it is to think about all the things that will be displayed in your app, seen in your app, or created by your user. And you might find that some of the collections that you make don't belong in separate collections, but actually should be in one collection. For example, if you have a social media app where users can like photos, you might feel like you need a collection just to capture the likes of a photo, when in reality, those likes are connected to a post collection. So our advice is to start simple with the collections that you absolutely know that you need. Go ahead and start adding the different property types, and it will become clearer as you start building this out what you need and the different relationships. And keep in mind that the relationship property can be complex and can be hard to get used to, but as with most things, you'll learn by doing. So if you create a relationship between, let's say, your books collection and your users collection, and you pick the wrong relationship, that's okay. You'll start to understand how the data is related to each other as you start to see it being displayed in your app.